Hi, welcome to Fratello InnoTech, your ultimate destination for learning latest technologies.
Hello everyone. In this session I'm going to explain about conditional formatting. So conditional formatting changes how cells look based on rules, and it helps to highlight the important data automatically, and we can use it to color cells that meet certain conditions, and it works with numbers and text, dates, and we can highlight the duplicate data easily, and it makes spreadsheets easier to read, and it can show trends using the data bars and color scales, and it updates automatically when the data changes, and it helps quickly spot patterns and problems. So here you can see that conditional formatting. So in the conditional formatting, we have different data bars and color scales and icon sets, and highlight the cells rules based on the values greater than, less than, between. So here we have different types of options: new rules and clear rules, and whatever we have applied the rules, and we can clear that rules from the entire sheet, and we can also clear the rules from the selected cells, and we can also manage the rules by using the manage rules, and we can create and edit the delete rules. So by using the conditional formatting rules manager, so we can edit the rules whatever we have applied for the data. So now I am applying the conditional formatting. So based on the drop down list, so here I am creating the drop down list. So whenever we select the data from the drop down list, and it should highlight with any color that whatever we are applied for that. Here I am creating the drop down list for category. Just so point out the cursor here where you are where you want to create the drop down list. Just point out the cursor. So here I am creating the drop down list. So to create the drop down list, go to the data and click on the data validation. So from the settings, so you have to select the list from this. So you have to add the source. So we are creating the drop down list for the category. So just select it, source, then click OK. So the drop down list has created, and electronics and furniture, apparel and stationery. So when we are selecting the value from the drop down list, so automatically highlight the data from the source data. So now I am applying the conditional formatting. So conditional formatting option is in home menu. Then so before going to apply the conditional formatting, just select the data without column names. Go to the conditional formatting and new rule. So here we have options: format all cells based on their values, and format only cells that contain, and so here I am selecting the use formula to determine which cells to format, and click on the formula. So here we have to select the value from the source data, then select. So freeze 2 times. Shortcut is function F4. So by freezing the value, we cannot change the data from the source code, source list. So equals to, just select the value from the drop down list. Then go to the format. So it will show the format cells number and font, border and fill. Here I am filling the color. So I have selected the color from the colors. Then click OK. So again you have to click OK. See that? So we have selected the April from the drop down list. So it has highlighted from the source data. So when I select appliances, so it will show, so it will highlight. So I have selected electronics. So the electronics category has highlighted from the source data. So in this way we can apply the conditional formatting. So it is used to highlight the cells based on the rule, based on the values. So we can find the duplicate data easily by using the conditional formatting. So remaining topics we'll discuss in next class.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for live updates. Please visit www.fratelloinitech.com for more courses.